welcome to the Rope Trading Communities video, and this is your supply coming in pattern in volume spread analysis. So previously I also made a video on buying climax, previously I made a video on upthrust action and so on. So all these patterns which I told you right now are signal of weakness. So whenever there's an uptrend, there's a high volume activity, up bar with a wide spread and high volume or more than average volume, definitely you can expect a sell opportunities at those particular points. Now, there is one more pattern. So this particular pattern cannot be traded. I don't say that I never traded supply coming in pattern, but I always use this pattern to recognize weakness in the market. So that's the reason I'm keeping this video very short and at the same time very clear about this particular pattern. So what is supply coming in? Let's understand. Simple. All you have to understand is this is an up bar showing an increased volume, suggesting that supply has entered the markets. If the volume is ultra high, this could be a climatic action. So what is a climatic action? Let's say you've seen buying climax and selling climax. So when I tell you the term buying climax or selling climax, let's assume buying climax. We are talking about signal of weakness. So let's talk about buying climax. When I say buying climax, what it means? Climax in the sense the trend is being end right here. So technically the trend is stopping one thereafter. So that's the reason after a buying climax, you'll expect a downtrend after a while. So that's what you're. It's a climatic action in the sense market stops its trend. So whenever there's a supply entering the market, it means that sellers are entering the market. So that's the reason market might create a downtrend after a while. Now, what is a confirmation for supply coming in? So confirmation, the next bar can be a down bar. This confirms the weakness and dominance of sellers in the market. Okay, just like buying climax. So buying climax, it's a widespread bar. It's an upper bar, has to be ultra high volume or more than average. And the next bar is a down bar. Just like buying climax, the supply coming in. Also, high volume upper bars with narrow spread also shows the signal of weakness. So technically, as I told you, so high volume bars, like let's say, as I can tell you that narrow spread. What is a narrow spread? Wide spread or narrow spread? These are the narrow spread. Small bars out there. Okay. If there are small bars with a increasing volume, even this can indicate that sellers are entering slowly in the markets, and based on that, market might go towards the lower lows right here. That's what I'm telling you. High volume upper bars with a narrow spreads also shows the signal of weakness. So continuously, if you're getting a no demand, let's assume continuously you're getting an upthrust or so continuously you're getting a buying climax and so on, you can count that there are a lot of signal of weakness in the markets, and based on you can judge that market will go towards the lower lows from that particular point. So that's what the confirmation right here. So let's get started with some practical examples right here. Okay, now so we are back to the Ninja Trader 8 terminal right here. So as you can see, I have applied a trade guider software, actually a trade guider, the VSA software, which automatically shows me the each and every pattern that's occurring in different time frames and so on. So previously also I have used some indicators in the trading view. If you've seen it, I have showed you a free indicator that was available in trading view. It was directly showing you buying climax and selling climax and so on. If you have seen my videos previously, you could have gone and check it out. So this particular software which I use it automatically shows me the patterns and what kind of pattern it is, and I can learn from it actually. So as you can see, if I'm clicking on right here, clicking on shift and clicking on right here, it shows me a pattern called supply coming in. So that's what we are talking about right here. So what is supply coming in? It shows me the bar description, it shows me the background, it shows me what is the next future for that particular pattern and so on, what can happen, what are the different types of scenario that can happen in the markets and so on. So as you can see, I'm clicking on this particular indicator right here. It shows me no demand, right? And what is a no demand? It shows me, and again this is one more indicator, supply coming in. So you have to understand two things right here. First thing is, as you can see, there are two types of triangles right here. One is the normal a dark red, and there is a light red. Okay, as you can see that if it is a light red, it means that particular signal is not confirmed yet. Okay, so if it is a, as you can see, I am clicking on right here, it shows me supply coming in not confirmed. Okay, so if it is showing me right here no demand confirmed, or let's say if I'm clicking on right here, it shows me supply coming in confirmed. So whenever there is a confirmed signal, it automatically indicates, it automatically scans the volume with an accurate data and shows you the proper signal in the charts. So that's why I recommend you to try trade guider softwares. So technically this is available for my students. So I usually, give them, I'm actually trying to give them in upcoming days also. So if you are a person, you can find in the trade guider official website, as well as there are a lot of vendors out there who are actually selling these softwares. So you can go ahead and check it out. So right now, as you can see, we were talking about supply coming in, right? So if I'm clicking on it, it shows me supply coming in. So what is the supply coming in? Same pattern. It has to be an upper bar with an increased volume. It shows the seller's dominance, signal of weakness, and then market fell down from these levels. So that's one particular pattern. As you can see previously, it is automatically showing me some more no demand. Again, no demand is occurring in the markets and so on. So after a while, the market stopped its higher highs, and then market started staying in a particular zone, and then you got a supply coming in. It indicated the seller's entry in the market, and obviously market went down right here. So there's one more particular pattern which can actually show you. Just a moment. See now. Now, as you can see, this is also your supply coming in. So what happened right here? So now market came down and you got a high volume activity right here, and market started creating a higher highs, and suddenly there is a supply coming in pattern. So you cannot find this as a, what you can say. Actually, this is the volume. Okay, you can find this as a buying climax. A lot of people out there, they might be getting confused. So this looks like a buying climax. The next bar is in down bar. It you can consider as a buying climax, but it's an ultra high volume right here. So they are like, okay, so it's not a buying climax, I'm not going to take a trade. That's not how you have to confirm it. So every single up bar in an uptrend with a ultra high volume are considered to be high volume activities. If it is in a high, if it is an uptrend, and if you see a high volume activity, it means that sellers are entering right there. In simple, you have to understand that always buyers try to buy at the low price and sellers try to sell at higher prices. That's the logic right here. That's the reality of the markets. So as you can see, you got a supply coming in and market fell down right here. Now, as you can see, there is one more pattern right here called supply coming in. Okay. Now, if you are recognizing it properly, there is around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, around 6 confirmed signal of weakness even before market fell down right here. So technically, as you can see, I drawed a high volume activities right here. First thing. Second thing, market came inside the level. You can consider this one. See, after a signal of weakness, market went down right here. After a confirmed signal of weakness, market went down again. Market was trying continuously, signal of weakness, again signal of weakness, again and again. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, signal of weakness again and again. Market is trying to create, and market was not able to go down below these levels. After creating signal of weakness for around 5 times, market was not able to cross these levels again. So market started creating a cause around these levels. So technically, after a cause, you have to understand that you are gonna get a momentum. It could be a higher highs, or it could be a lower low. We don't know about that, but if there is a cause, definitely there will be an effect regarding it. So right now, what happened right here? Now market created a upthrust action. So this particular three right here, which I marked right here, that is an upthrust. So technically you got an upthrust right here and market came down right here. So market came again to these levels and created a signal, but that signal is not confirmed right here. So this particular signal of weakness right here, it is not confirmed right here. Then again market came down and market went up right here. Again market got a confirmation, and that is called the supply coming in pattern. So once I got a supply coming in pattern, the next bar was a down bar, and also you can recognize one more pattern right here. It looks like a top reversal right here. Okay, you could have considered this as a top reversal, or else you could have considered this as a supply coming in pattern as per the VSA scanner. Then what happened right here? Market drastically fell down right here. So technically, first thing, you got around not 6, actually 7, 8. You can consider 8 actually. So technically you had a huge cause right here. So obviously you are expecting a momentum. And second thing, you're not getting strength right here. You're getting the weakness. So technically you should have gone for a sell trades right there. So technically I have a cause right here, but I don't know whether the market will go up or down right here. But as per the VSA plugin right here, it is showing me more signal of weakness compared to signal of strength right here. As you can see, I got one, two, three, four, or something, some four signal of strength right here. It was not even able to cross these levels, but it came above these levels, tried thrice right here. See, once, two, three. Three times it went and tried right here, and once it got a confirmation, once it got that there are no sellers right here, and what happened? Drastically market went towards the lower lows right here at the end of the trading sessions. So this is the power of signal of weakness. This is just a simple pattern. I don't know whether you can trade this pattern or not, because I have given you buying climax and upthrust and so on, but you can use this to understand what's happening in the market. So I hope you understood this particular concept, and we'll see you in the next videos. And please like, share as much as possible, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I'll be making a lot of videos, not only in terms of volume spread analysis. I have a lot of plans for, it could be elite waves, it could be volume profile, or order flow, it could be anything which actually makes sense, because I genuinely want to give content which actually works in the market, and at the same time which is very simple and understandable to each and every viewers out there. So that's my vision for this particular channel, and I will be making videos like that. So thank you so much. We'll see you in the next videos. Goodbye.